Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about locks, guys. Yes, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create or do your own micro locks or traditional locks, how you can use the extension to make it look so natural. You know, I have micro locks on here, and I do clip in to add some volume onto my locks here. So first off, I've taken the part that I want, the size that I want. I twist the hair a little bit to make it more fluffy, then it's more easier. Then the next thing, I'm using 0.75 crochet needle, and I'm going to start crocheting, as you can see. So you are going to crochet your way from the bottom to the top, but please be very careful because this method can be very painful. If you don't know what you are doing, you are going to enjoy your fingers. Yes, I'm telling you the truth, you are going to enjoy your fingers. So be very careful while you are doing the crochet method. But the good thing about this is that it goes faster. You know, it goes very faster. And this is the first method. If you don't want to do it to the end, you can do it halfway and leave the end to be coily. Then you have your permanent locks extension with coily ends. Yeah. And then the next method I'm going to be doing now is the twist method. This twist method is you are going to twist the hair first of all, twist the extension hair first of all, and then I'm still going to use the crochet needle, the same size, 0.75, to crochet it so that you look as if it's maturing. But if you just get your locks done and it's not matured, you did it with twist or something, then you can use this method also to just twist the hair, twist the extension without having to crochet it, and then do it as a clip in to add more volumes. You get it now. But if your hair is if your locks is more than 6 months, is maturing, then you can twist the hair first of all, and then you crochet it to make it a little bit old, like it's maturing. Yeah. Not to enjoy your own fingers while you are crocheting the extensions. And then the third technique or the third method is my favorite because it's so beautiful, but it takes time. Is the interlocking one. This one you don't need any crochet needle, but you still need the crochet hook, but you don't need the needle. So what you are going to be doing, you are going to be doing 4-point rotation. If you do 2-point rotation, be very careful that you don't put any hole, yeah, between the locks. Yeah. Then if you do 4-point rotation, is better that you don't have any of those hole between that will make it the locks to look bulky at the end of the day. So I'm using this method. So first of all, I will fluff off the hair, like twist it a little bit, just like the same method I did for the first one. Twist it a little bit to be fluffy, and then I will start doing my interlocking from the top to the bottom. If you cannot use your own finger to start, you can start with the crochet hook. Okay, start with the crochet hook from the top and then to the bottom, making it tight and no hole between them. And then you can choose which of this method is good for you. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. And if you want to know how to make the standard locks, yeah, extension locks, I already have that on my video, on my channel. Sorry, you can go and check it out and you choose for yourself. Okay, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.